Have you got the gift of the gab? Speeches can be classified in 3 categories: informative, persuasive, and ceremonial. Informative speeches aim at presenting useful or important information on a specific topic, at a conference for example. They contain a lot of in-depth descriptions and are delivered using more neutral, matter-of-fact language. A persuasive speech intends to convince the listeners of something, such as during a political campaign, whereby a politician uses emotive rhetoric to persuade people to believe in his or her abilities. Finally, ceremonial speeches are given on special occasions, such as weddings. They are typically light-hearted and often use humor and anecdotes to entertain the audience. Let's take a look at some of the keys to making a successful speech. Firstly, to appeal to a group of people, one must convey a message in a way that resonates with them and encourages them to be receptive. Secondly, a speech should follow a logical progression. If an audience cannot understand how a speaker arrived at their conclusion, they will be unlikely to draw that same conclusion. Lastly, a convincing speech that is delivered with confidence by using deliberate movements, careful word choice, and strong, open posture is likely to instill belief in the listeners. An audience must see that the speaker stands firmly behind their ideas. Any good speech includes an introduction to inform the audience of the purpose of the speech and prepare them for what will follow. The main body, which includes the core of the speech, and the conclusion that wraps up all the points in a short but meaningful summary. A combination of well-organized, quality content and poise is the key to a successful speech. After all, it's not what you say, it's how you say it.